All right. We have 5 minutes till open. Ooh, okay. All right. This house already taken. Still not even open though. So you know what I would like to see here is they close below, a retest, and then shoot down here. That would be super nice. I would just need to be careful about rejecting here off the middle. I would just need to be careful there. Besides that, I think we're good. We got one. All right, look, we just need to close below. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, come on. Damn, are you serious, bro? It closed above. A lot of volume too. All right. Oh my God, Jesus! Hold on, bro. Chill. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on. You can't be doing this to me. Slow down. Holy freak, bro. That would have hit TP right there. Boom, instant TP. Damn, bro. Like, give me just like 3 seconds at least, bro. Like, bro, come on. Do you? That was like, oh my god, that was so fast, bro. Holy crap. I well, sucks to suck, right? Jesus, that was just too fast, bro. Could have given me at least like 2 seconds to react, bro. Only. Are you serious, bro? That was like fast as hell, bro. Yo, 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 yo. Sorry, guys, I was on the wrong channel. I missed my setup. I missed it. It literally tapped the middle perfectly and just pushed up literally like in point 0.3 seconds, and I was not able to catch it. It hit TP instantly. It literally just went TP like in 0 seconds, bro. Like that's crazy. Literally, look at this, guys. Like, you can't make this up. It tapped the middle. I was literally about to enter, and I couldn't react in time. Like by the time I reacted, it was already up here, and I was like, oh. I mean, I don't want to chase. So yeah, very unfortunate start of the week. Missing a setup is already crazy. Oh man, that's so annoying. Like like genuinely so annoying. How many points are we up? 100. Yeah, around 100. Oh man, that is very unfortunate, bro. Very, very unfortunate. Uh, I would have been done literally like in 30 seconds, guys. I would have been like, oop, well, time to go back to bed. Ah, bro, come on, man. We had two setups in one. A break to the upside here, a break to the upside here above this level, and then they retest towards this level and the middle. Oh my god, beautiful setup today, guys. Beautiful setup. It's just y'all saw the volume, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all saw it, right? Like it was like this. Look, it was like boom, 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 boom. It was like this. It tapped the middle, and as soon as it tapped it, it went. I was like, what? No, hold on, slow down. Yeah, man. I literally said, bro, just 2 seconds you would have gave me, I would have been in these longs. I mean, and you cannot say this was not my setup. Look at this. Perfect retest off the middle. I don't know if you've seen my video, but I always say I enter off the middle. Tapped perfectly off the middle. I would have been in these longs. Probably would have got a late fill, if I'm being real, because of how fast it was. Still, but that's so unfortunate, man. But you know, it is what it is. Do I think we're gonna keep pumping? For sure. And that's just man, come on, man. Are we selling? No, no, we're not selling. Well, at least I'm not. I'm not selling. I was supposed to buy right here, but it was just way too fast. I just wasn't able to react in time. Like it gave me like 1 second to react, and it was just not fast enough. Cause it was going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, like super fast. And as soon as it tapped this, by the time I like reacted, we were already up here somewhere, and I was like, like no, 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 what is going on? Like, why is it so fast? I mean, I like fast volume, but not fast when I'm trying to enter. Like I like it so where it's like, quick, boom, taps the middle, slowly starts going up, boom, I would enter. And as soon as I enter, we have that type of volume. Yes, I like that. But now when I'm about to enter, no, I haven't even entered the trade, so I don't have a stop loss yet. I mean, if I were to enter, my stop loss would have been here, 25 points. Yeah, man, that's very unfortunate. Yep, I didn't enter. It was just too fast. Oh, come on, man. That's so annoying, man. So annoying. hmm Would have started. I would have started the week with a win, an easy win. No, I wasn't late. I mean, it's because I was live on the premium. I need to delete that, but I was watching it. I was watching it, and it's just regardless, I would have had taken it. It was just too fast. No matter if I was live or not, it was just way, way too fast. That's probably the whole getting a live setup. No, 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 no. It wasn't that. It was literally just. It was just too fast. Like I was literally focused on the chart, and it was just too fast. So it wasn't because I was setting up YouTube and like going live on Discord. None of that. It was just simply too fast. See, I would short DMR, but there's no guarantee we're gonna go back down to retest. But if we do go back to retest, I would probably consider taking longs. However, I'm saying this now. Second retest isn't as probable as the first. It can still definitely play out though. Yeah, literally, Albert. Like it literally happened in a millisecond, bro. Like, like I could have for sure chased out, but my entry would have been here. My entry would have been like up here somewhere, and it's just not. You know, I just don't want to chase. Yeah, I'd watch again, give us a big one. See if we can get a retest. I would consider taking it. However, like I said, the second retest isn't as probable as the first. So we gotta be real careful with that. I'm willing to take the risk though. I'm willing to take the risk. And I have to accept whatever outcome it gives me. it's probably not even gonna go back down there though. I mean, but the orb played out today though for sure, 100%. It just way too fast. You know, I was actually surprised that no one was in my live, and I realized I was in the wrong channel. Sorry about that, guys. I'm on Raw Burlish waiting for a good entry, the rejection of the orb. Yeah, I mean, I don't. Unless I had a limit order here, that's the only way I would have been able to, you know, go in. The reason I don't like having limit orders though is that because this wick, like I would set my limit order here, boom, it enters me. However, sometimes and a lot of times actually, it goes down and then goes back up. So that limit order would have stopped me out. In this case, it would have for sure helped me out, yes. But a lot of times it goes slightly down. Probably enough to stop me out, probably not, and then go back up. So that's why I really don't set limit orders. But in today's example, it would have for sure saved me. I would have banked, but unfortunate. Yeah, I'm overall bullish too. But this was a good setup, man. Come on. That's like so annoying, bro. Super annoyed, super annoyed. we're, we're just gonna keep on doing no retest. That's crazy. Like, come on, just retest real quick, bro. What? This is not all time high. All time high is 31,000? What? Honestly, I haven't even paid attention to the price. But I assume this is all time high. Mm. I honestly don't see anything holding us down. You know, like I don't see anything we can react to fall. Besides, maybe let's see. This is a Asia Open. Mm, Asia High. I could probably go up here. Or I'm probably just coping because I missed these longs. um, NQ wants to rip. Yes, wants to retest orb. I think I might wait for it longer. Yeah, dude. If we push up like above, like above here somewhere, I wouldn't really be comfortable anymore. I would just have to call cash. As long as we don't break too much to the upside, we could get a retest. This, man, what am I? Hmm. Yeah. And it wasn't that I hesitated, it was just that it was super fast. Like I don't know if you guys were watching the candle, but like Albert said, it literally happened like in a millisecond, bro. Like, I don't think anyone could have reacted fast enough to take this. Oops. Unless you had a limit order, then I guess, yeah, you could have taken this. But look at that. We're just going to keep on pumping, like I said. Fa. Fa, fa, fa. Well, we're going for 200 points. Easy 200 points, easy. That's a 128 restore reward. Dude, I wish I could go back in time and get my entry. Oh my god. Take a random short. Tripping. I can't even go 6 minis anyways. I can only go 4, I believe. 4 minis. Why would I short? Just because this is high? That makes no sense. If anything, I should long of a pullback. You're literally going against the trend. If you want to gamble, your odds are higher with longs. You build like a trend. That's the only thing that you got in common with the trend. I was short on 1,000 minutes market myself. I didn't do it. Hurry up. We're waiting for you. If this taps 200 points, I'm done. Oh my god! As soon as I said that, it's gonna. Dude, that's like so annoying, man. This is where a lot of people, like those 99% of traders, where they're like, "Oh my god, let me chase." And this was old me. I'm not gonna lie. Old me would have for sure chased this. I probably would have made money. I probably would have been stopped. I don't know. But yeah, old me would have been like, you know what? Screw it. Let's go in. I don't care. Boom. I go in heavy, and I probably would have got smoked. I probably would have hit TP. I don't know. Damn, guys. That's so unfortunate, man. Hey, but you guys think the strategy works, though. It just today was just too fast. $250. Yeah, we're not getting no retest. Come on, man. Or if we don't get anything by 10 a.m. Eastern time, then I'm calling it cash. Oh, so unfortunate, bro. $250. we've been pumping ever since it's open. It's a huge gap right here. I mean, we're gonna end up filling it one day. Probably throughout this week, probably throughout next week. Yo, Mad, what's up, man? What's up, man? Look at this, bro. Oh my god. We're just longs and no pullback, bro. Well, not a strong enough pullback. We had a pullback here, right? But wasn't strong enough to for us to enter. Yeah, that's so annoying, guys. That's like so annoying. What is this? Wait, what did I do? Indicator. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm like 99.99% sure I'm not taking anything today. I mean, if anything, we just come back tomorrow. You know, it's a no news Monday. Even though it was a no news Monday, my setup played out perfectly, which is very unfortunate. I mean, because if I look at the 1 minute, actually, I don't even want to look at the 1 minute. Let me just look at it on TradingView. TradingView right here. Oh, I can't even. All right, so look, market open. Not even on the 1 minute, we had another retest. So we would have another wick down here. I can't even show it because I don't got replay mode. Bullish trend. Yep, it's a bullish trend. If anything, if you like, you know, I'm not saying do it right, but if you want to bet your odds, I would go in longs. You know, off a decent pullback, obviously, you just don't go longs. You know, let's just say, for example, this kind of went down here or something, you know. 9 a.m. distribution. 9 a.m. Eastern time or 6:58. It's 6, so you're 1 hour behind me. Yeah, I don't know what you mean by 9 a.m. distribution. But yeah, I'm just waiting for till 10, and after that, I'm done. I'm like 99.999999999% sure that I'm done. I mean, we have 5 minutes. We got to go down. How many points? From current price, around 170. So it's possible, but you know, likely not gonna get it. My G, um, my G, you mean the trend you put in? Oh, yeah, you corrected it. I didn't see that. Yeah, he used the trend, Albert, because every time he walks, his jelly rolls go up and down, up and down, up and down. That's the only thing he got. That's the only thing he got in common with the trend. That when he walks, mm, uh, shorts on 700. 1,000 minis. Yeah, guys. Honestly, I'm done. Just why I have to do that, bro? I think I have the recording. Hold on. Let me see if I have the recording. Mm, hold on. Let's see here. Should I have the recording? Hold on. Give me a second. Mm, oh, yeah, but I found it, guys. Look at this. All right, you ready, guys? You ready, 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 ready? Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is like some bull crap. Look at this. All right. So I told myself, all right, I'm like, okay, we take out this level. We can go back down to retest here and then go back up. So I waited for market open, right? I waited for market open. I told myself, if we can close below, like around here somewhere, we can short off this, go down here, set break even here, and TP somewhere down here, right? Or if we break to the upside, we can go longs, right? So it depends on how it closes at a market open, right? So then I waited. All right, so we closed above, right? We closed above, and I was like, okay, we can either, we can either long off this level or off the middle, preferably off the middle, right? So what to do? Now pay attention, guys. Pay attention. Pay attention to the candle and to the middle at the same time. Look at this. Fire! You saw that? Look at that. Look at that. You saw that? Look at this again. Look at this again. Wait, is there a way I could play like slow motion? Speed. Look at this, bro. Look at this, guys. Look at this. And this is 0.25 speed. Watch this. Keep looking, keep looking. Keep looking. Alright, it's like right there. Watch, 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 watch. Watch. Come on, come on. Alright, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Um, look at that. Look at that. Like, bro, like it makes no sense, bro. Like, why you do that, bro? Like, come on, man. You could have given me like at least 2 seconds. Even limit, yeah. I mean, probably a limit. I mean, maybe it would have triggered it. But look at this. Look at this. Boom. Hold on. Look at that. I literally paused it within the second. It was already up. How many points would that be? 610. 610. Well, it was only like around 10 points or so. But still, 10 points is 10 points. And that's like assuming you caught it right away. By the time I reacted, it was already up here, which would have been how many points? Like around 20-ish points, bro. I was like, what? Are you serious, bro? Look at this. and it never went back down there. It never once went back down there. And then boom, right there, it hit TP. I was like, "Are you serious, bro?" I was like, "Wow, that's like, yep." uh, but yeah, you guys saw that, bro. Like, I literally, no matter what, I was not able to catch that. It was just way too fast, bro. Like, it's all good. Exactly, bro. It's all good. I mean, yeah, this is very, very unfortunate that I wasn't able to catch today's, move. But, overall, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. If I lose tomorrow, it's really gonna annoy me. Like, it's genuinely gonna annoy me. And even if I win, I'm gonna be annoyed because I get a bit. But if I would lose tomorrow, I hope not. But if I do, honestly, I'm gonna get annoyed, like genuinely annoyed. So, but no, we're not crashing out. We're not gambling, none of that stuff. Yeah, it's already 10 a.m. Eastern. We weren't able to retest. What do you guys think? Should we call it, or you guys want to stay on another half an hour? See if we can see if we can get that final retest. Mm. You know what? All right, guys. I'm gonna just edit this video real quick, and then meanwhile, I'm still gonna be looking at the charts and looking at the chat. So, you guys have any questions? Just send them in here. I mean, I'm still looking at both, so let me just real quick edit this video. uh, could you go over the PM charts? What do you mean PM charts? Pre-market charts, or are we gonna wait till after? Yeah, yeah. I mean, in the meanwhile, you can go watch the video that I sent you. You would understand. You would understand what I saw today. It would help you out. It would help you out not to know. Everybody, I'm in long. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Peace. All right, Albert, take care. Hopefully you bank. Let me just real quick edit this video. Sounds good. I would have reached out for some reason. I can't hear Jose. You can hear me? Jose, love you. Love you too, bro. Love you too. All right, DMR, can you hear me? I don't know if it's Albert or just me. Bro, come on. You can't be doing this to me. A lot of volume too. All right. Oh my God, Jesus! Hold on, bro. Chill. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on. You can't be doing this to me. Slow down. Holy freak, bro. That would have hit TP right there. Boom, instant TP. Damn, bro. Like, give me just like 3 seconds at least, bro. Like, bro, come on, dude. That was like, oh my god, that was so fast, bro. Holy crap, bro. Come on, you can't be doing this to me. Slow down. Holy freak, bro. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, you can't be doing this to me. No, I'm not. What's your name? RJ. It's because I don't even know how to call you. I'm just call you R. R. So I was telling the chat that there was no possible way for me to catch these longs. Look at this. Let me just show you. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you. Hold on. All right. Let me share the audio real quick. Hold on. All right. All right. Look at this. Look at this art real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I was like, we're gonna retest the middle, and then we're gonna go longs. But look at this, bro. Like it literally tapped the middle, and it just reacted too fast for me to even. He left. Already passes her. uh, I wonder how this looks in 2 times speed. This would be funny. That's crazy. I mean, it doesn't even look that different from the actual speed. Nice, man. Yeah, good stuff. Mo, for sure. Good stuff. Good stuff. Ready to pass this. Hell yeah, bro, you got this. Light work, light work. Uh, oh yeah, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Hold on, I'm just gonna edit this video. Once I'm done editing, we're out. Alright, YouTube, I'm ending the live on YouTube. Peace, YouTube, peace.